Hello, and thank you for joining me for another episode of the home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do some leg exercises using a chair, and they're basically just leg lifts. I'm going to lift myself up one leg at a time using the chair. So let's kick off the old sandals here, the old Buddha sandals. And if you need to, just hold on to something while you're doing them, for balance as you're doing one leg at a time. And you can get a calf raise at the end, so you're lifting yourself up and getting a calf raise. So let me just demonstrate. Okay, so just lift yourself up, get a little calf raise at the end. Put your foot about halfway on the chair, so you can get a nice little calf raise. Okay, so just lifting yourself up off the chair like so. Okay. Just do it as many times as you can. Gives you a nice little leg lift exercise. Okay, and let's switch over to the other leg. Okay, foot about halfway on the chair. A nice little calf raise at the end. Hold on to something for balance if you need to. Okay, so just lift yourself up and then get that calf raise at the end. That's all there is to it. You can really get a sweet little calf raise with this one, in addition to the leg lift itself. Okay, so let's switch back and forth, and I can just keep going. I'm going to move my foot back a little bit. Calf raise at the end. Just be in control of the motion, kind of nice and slow. Okay, let's go back the other way. The other foot. Okay, just lift up nice and easy. Straight up. Calf raise at the end. Nice for toning and shaping your legs, and also building a bit of muscle there. Doing as many as you can. Okay, let's go one more time. Okay. Just go and try to challenge yourself, do as many as you can. You find that they do get pretty challenging after a while. Just keep your form nice and straight and breathe normally. Okay? All right. My legs are starting to actually get pretty tight now, okay, which is a good sign. Means I'm getting a pretty good workout. Just keep your form nice and tight, nice and straight. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick rest. So, yeah, I feel like my legs gotten a pretty decent workout already. Definitely in a contraction phase here, but I don't want to rest too long, so I'm just going to keep going until I reach the multiple points of failure. Go down as far as you can, and then bring yourself back up. Bring yourself up as quickly as you can, and down slowly. Yeah, I'm starting to feel that now. That feels pretty good, actually. All right, let's go the other way. Okay, and I'm just using, the wall and the dresser here for support. Not put in any weight on them. Okay. So, just take another quick breather. And we're almost there. Very nice leg workout. I feel pretty pumped. And, I've gotten a workout, basically. Okay. All right, so let's go one more time. And you can even hold that calf a little bit longer. Emphasize that. Get a nice little calf raise. This one really gives you a nice little calf exercise in addition to your thigh. Okay, just drag your feet straight down. Okay, one more time. The other foot, switch to the other foot. I can't even finish that one, so I'm definitely reaching a couple different points of failure here. Yeah, that's getting harder and harder. Okay, so just maybe we have a couple seconds, 10 seconds here. Then we'll try it again. If not, then we'll probably reach the end of the exercise here. Let's go one more time. Okay. Yeah, that's a definite point of failure there. Okay. Straight down. Oh. All right. Whew. Okay. And maybe one more, and then we'll probably call it quits for the day. Oh. Okay. So it's looking pretty good. Looking like we're getting a pretty solid workout. All right, so that's about fail point. Okay, that's a pretty good fail point there. All right, well, so that's pretty much it. This is a pretty effective workout. You know, I can also do a couple of lunges or whatever to get a little extra, or frog jumps. Lunges / frog jumps. And I'm putting my knee to the opposite side here. You can combine a lot of different things, you know. There's so much variety you can do with the home body weight workouts. Okay, let's go back to this one. Get that little jump at the end. I got my knee going to the opposite side, and I'm holding onto the chair for support. Okay, and that just adds a little extra difficulty to the exercise there. A little bit of an add-on. Set. Okay, and I could do this as a main exercise too. You know, basically it's just a combination of a lunge and a frog jump. It's actually getting pretty difficult now. All right, so let's try one more time. All right, that's pretty good. I have reached a few failure points here. All right, well, that's probably good enough. Oh, whew. Well, we are tired. All right, so it's been a pretty good leg workout today. Between the lifts and the calf raises and the lunges / frog jumps. So it's been a very, very good exercise day. So I hope you enjoyed this leg workout. Please keep working hard and stay motivated to do your best to get a body weight workout. And you can even mix it up with the gym at times if you want to go to the gym just to get some variation. Variation is always good. And, always stay motivated and stay strong, everybody. See you next time, and thank you for